Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GSR. This four-door sedan has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Mitsubishi has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.